Have you ever found yourself staring at a check, wondering what to do with it? Maybe it's a gift, a refund, or just an old-fashioned payment. And then, the question pops up, does SoFi accept checks? Let's dive into that. Now, I know what you're thinking. Checks? In this digital age? It might seem like a relic of the past. But trust me, they still exist. And sometimes, they're the only form of payment you've got. So, if you're a SoFi user, or considering becoming one, this video is for you. We're going to explore the world of checks and SoFi, and hopefully, by the end of this, you'll have a clear answer. What is SoFi? Before we jump into the main topic, let's quickly recap what SoFi is. For those who are new to the platform, SoFi is more than just a bank. It's a financial technology company offering a range of services including personal loans, student loan refinancing, mortgages, investing, and banking. They've positioned themselves as a one-stop shop for your financial needs. Why would you use a check in 2024? Okay, so we've established that checks still exist. But why would anyone use them in 2024? Well, there are a few reasons. Maybe you're an older individual who prefers traditional methods. Or perhaps you're dealing with a business or organization that still insists on checks. There could also be situations where you receive a check as a gift or refund. Whatever the reason, it's a reality we need to address. SoFi and checks, the direct answer. So, does SoFi accept checks? The short answer is no. SoFi does not offer the option to deposit checks directly into your account. This is a common feature in traditional banks, but SoFi has chosen to focus on digital transactions. Why doesn't SoFi accept checks? You might be wondering why a financial company like SoFi wouldn't accept checks. It seems like a basic service. Well, SoFi's business model is built around efficiency and speed. Checks are paper-based, which can lead to delays in processing and increased costs. Additionally, there's the risk of fraud and errors associated with checks. By eliminating checks, SoFi can streamline their operations and potentially offer lower fees to customers. Alternatives to depositing checks with SoFi. Just because SoFi doesn't accept checks directly doesn't mean you're out of luck. There are a few workarounds you can consider. Mobile check deposit. Many traditional banks offer mobile check deposit. You can open an account with one of these banks and deposit your check using their mobile app. Once the funds are available, you can transfer them to your SoFi account. Cash App or Venmo. If the check amount is relatively small, you might consider cashing it at a grocery store or check cashing service. Once you have the cash, you can use Cash App or Venmo to transfer the funds to your SoFi account. Direct deposit. If you're expecting regular check payments, you can ask the sender to set up direct deposit into your SoFi account. This is often the most convenient and secure option. Additional considerations. While we've covered the basics, there are a few other things to consider. Check cashing fees. Be aware that cashing checks can come with fees, especially if you use a check cashing service. Security. When cashing checks or using mobile deposit, prioritize security. Protect your personal information and avoid suspicious offers. SoFi's other features. While SoFi might not accept checks, it offers other features that can make your financial life easier. Explore options like direct deposit, bill pay, and budgeting tools. So, there you have it. SoFi, unfortunately, doesn't accept checks. While it might not be the answer you were hoping for, understanding your options is crucial. By exploring alternatives like mobile check deposit, cash apps, or direct deposit, you can still manage your finances efficiently. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.